Attracting high-paying clients for your cleaning business can elevate your revenue and reputation. These clients value premium services, convenience, and professionalism, so positioning your business to meet their expectations is essential. Here are 10 key strategies to help you attract and retain affluent customers. 1. Offer premium cleaning services. High-paying clients seek more than basic cleaning. They expect services tailored to their needs, such as deep cleaning, eco-friendly products, or post-construction cleanup. By adding these premium options, you can showcase quality, justify higher rates, and attract upscale customers. 2. Build a professional image and brand. A polished image is crucial for appealing to high-end clients. Invest in professional branding, from your logo and uniforms to a sleek, user-friendly website. Highlight customer testimonials, before and after photos, and detailed service descriptions to build trust and demonstrate your expertise. 3. Target affluent neighborhoods. Focus your marketing efforts on wealthy communities where residents have the income to pay for premium services. Use local advertising, like flyers or partnerships with real estate agents, to establish your presence as the go-to cleaning provider in these areas. 4. Provide excellent customer service. Exceptional customer service can set you apart. High-paying clients expect seamless communication, attention to detail, and personalized touches, like remembering their preferences or sending thank-you notes. Train your staff to provide top-tier service at every interaction. 5. Leverage client referrals. Satisfied clients can help you connect with others in their network. Create a referral program that rewards loyal customers for bringing in new business. High-paying clients often know others with similar needs, making referrals a powerful tool. 6. Highlight your expertise. Position yourself as a cleaning expert by showcasing your knowledge. Share tips, cleaning hacks, or before and after photos through blogs, social media, or videos. This not only builds credibility, but also shows high-end clients that your service delivers exceptional results. 7. Offer flexible scheduling. Busy clients value flexibility. Offer booking options that fit their schedules, such as early mornings, evenings, or weekends. Consider providing on-call services or priority appointments for VIP clients to enhance convenience and reliability. 8. Use high-quality products and equipment. Invest in premium, eco-friendly cleaning supplies and state-of-the-art equipment. Affluent clients appreciate high-quality tools that deliver superior results while aligning with their values, such as sustainability and safety. 9. Build relationships with decision-makers. In larger households, assistants or managers often handle hiring. Build strong relationships with these decision-makers by maintaining professionalism, clear communication, and consistent service. Trust from these individuals can secure long-term contracts. 10. Price for the market. Set your pricing to reflect the value you offer. Affluent clients are willing to pay more for exceptional service, so don't undervalue your work. Highlight the benefits of your premium offerings, like reliability, flexibility, and quality results, to justify higher rates. Conclusion. Attracting high-paying clients requires more than standard cleaning services. By offering premium options, focusing on professionalism, and providing excellent customer service, you can position your business to succeed in the high-end market. Start implementing these strategies today to grow your business and reputation. Ready to take your cleaning business to the next level?